Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing today? I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. And if you haven't already, let's give the Lord some praise. So, today we're going to be doing a multiple haul from many different stores. So, I just say a multiple haul because we have many different stores. So, how are y'all doing? How's the weather in your town? And what are your plans for the day? Drop it down in the comment section. So, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button because it's free and I would love to have you here. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become part of my family because that's what I call everybody that joins my channel is my family. So, let's go ahead and jump on into this video. But I can't remember. Let's go ahead and give the Lord some praise for allowing us to see another day that was not promised to you or I. So let's go ahead and tell him thank you. Thank you, Lord, for letting us see another day because somebody somewhere did not wake up this morning. But you allowed us to, Lord, and we just want to tell you thank you. So the first store we're going to jump into is, let's see, Ross. Why not? Oh, y'all was doing a walkthrough yesterday and my camera cut off. I was so mad. So I just went browsing yesterday. It was a good day to be out and I just went to different stores. So I went to Ross and I got this. Of course, you know what it is. I got this Grinch shirt. It is so comfortable. It is so soft. They had many, all the sizes was too big for me. So I finally found a medium and this was $12. So I picked it up. Now, I also picked up this. I couldn't pass it by. Ain't that so beautiful? That is so cute. So I picked this up and it was $4.99. Now I don't know about y'all. When I'm around the house and I want to just be comfortable, I wear shorts, a white beater, maybe my sports bra, whatever. I'm just, because I don't too many people come to my house, but if they come, it's usually my family, so I like to be comfortable around here. So, yeah, I shop in the men's departments for these. So I picked up these right here. And back in my day, this cartoon character right here was the bomb. You used to come home every day and watch it from school. I mean, I love this cartoon right here. So I had to pick it up. Yes, the Smurf. Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf. And Smurfette was my favorite. And back in my day, this kind of candy was popular. I see it's back out. I don't know if it ever went away, but I know they got it at Five Below. So I had to pick these up because these was, back in my day, the good candy. For a couple of cents, you could get you some Now and Laters. A pack of them about that big. Yes, that shows you how old I am. So, I think I got one more thing from Ross. No, that's all from Ross. So let's jump into Five Below. So I went to Five Below, and they had some lights, which I took them over to my daughter, so I'm helping her decorate. But this camera seems crooked. Hold on, guys. Okay. It was a tree and a deer, and it lights up. It's a LED. It works by batteries, and we was decorating the other house, so I bought them, but we already put them up last night at the other house. So it was regular $20, but they have marked them down to $5. They were so cute, so I'm probably going to go back and get 2 for my yard, because now I'm going to start on my yard since we got her out the way, because she is persistent. I mean, she won't leave you alone until whatever she wants done is done. She's a spoiled brat, and she's 22. So we decorated her yard last night. So maybe now I can finish up all the stuff in my house, because I can't do my own stuff because she is persistent about getting stuff done at the other house. Like, you're grown. Do it. But since, yeah, when she was a kid, we spoiled her. This is the aftermath of it. Don't spoil your kids. No, I just let it. So I picked up these little Christmas trees. I got one up there. But I got some other areas in the house I need to decorate. So I picked up another green one, this gold color one right there, and a red one. And I know where I'm put the red one because I'm decorating right now. I'm finna upload a video with the DIYs I did for that, so be on the lookout for that. But this is what I picked up from Five Below, and plus those other 2 things that I can't show you. And then I went to Walmart, which is probably an everyday thing because Walmart's just right down the street, just like Dollar Tree, just right down the street. And when I get bored, I just go down there and look, pick up, and I come out with things, you know? So I wanted some new towels. Not that my towels are old, but we needed some new face towels because my kids come over here and take everything that's new, you know? So I bought me some blue ones. I bought me some black ones. And I bought me some gray ones, but I'm going to show you what I really went in there for. I mean, some brown ones. So I picked those up. Those was $2 a piece. This is what I went in there for, because I have to send it to my daughter in Chattanooga, because she went to the dentist, and I said she got gingivitis. I don't know, because she brushes teeth 3 times a day, and then after every meal. So, you know, they'll tell you anything to make money, dentist, because she got beautiful teeth, had braces when she was little, and so she thinks she got it, because they say she got it. So I went and got her this stuff right here. I went and got her this Gironanda mouthwash, and plus the Pulin. And if you haven't heard about this, go and watch on, I know she on TikTok, but her name is Mama Posh. So she tell you about Pulin this, because they had told her that she was going to lose her teeth, so she started doing this mouth pulling. So I got her some of this Pulin oil, and I'm going to put it in this box and send it off to her today, along with her jacket that she left here for Thanksgiving. So I picked up that. I also picked up some black seed oil, and I have been taking it for 2 days, and let me tell you, I have rheumatoid arthritis, bones ain't been hurting in this cold weather. The weather change usually keeps me in the bed, but it hasn't been hurting. Gave me energy. It has black seed oil and B12 and K2. If you ain't never had none, I'm finna go get the bottle in a minute to show you. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, get you some. I promise you. I promise you. And plus, I have lupus. And I have SLE lupus, which means it's in my joints everywhere. I haven't hurt in 2 days, and the weather done changed. Let me tell you, that's the first thing I take. I usually take my medicine when I get up. No, I'll take me a dropper full of that when I first get up. But I'm going to show you. If you deal with those elements, go to Walmart and get you some of this black seed oil plus K2 and B12. Okay? You won't regret it. So I bought me some of these cups because I got an idea. I got a DIY idea that I'm going to make with those. And the last 2 things, well, it was 3, but I already opened one. I got some crimson Waverly chalk paint. This is in the color crimson. And I also got me some puff paint. And if you haven't watched my Dollar Tree haul, go back and watch that. It's some things in there that I'm gonna, one of my peppermints fell, but I'll get it right back up there. Use that for both of those. So that's, I think that's everything. Nope. Uh-oh. Still at Walmart. And this is from Five Below. Because I don't know how I got in that sack. But I bought these socks at Five Below. That stem is a different print. And it's called the 12 Days of Socks. I thought that was cute. That's how they look. Again, that's from Five Below. It's another pack that I want, and I'm probably going back to get it today when I go and get those other things. I bought me some paint, and it's in the color Speeding Ticket. Got an idea for these. I'm going to work on all my ideas today, because nobody going to bother me. And then I got this Claw, but back massager, head massager, whatever it may be. It's a scalp massager, but I'm not going to use it for a scalp massager. Got an idea for that. And then we're back at the Dollar Tree. I told you I stay at, oh, one more thing. This is the Dollar Tree too. I got me another elf apron. I wear these when I craft, but I just got on a white one from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna put my name across there on the embroidery machine when I get time. But I got this elf one. I'm gonna start wearing it during my vlogmas. Okay, I also got this. I hope that man is there today, because I bought a book and I can't find that book nowhere. I done looked and looked and looked. So I went ahead and bought me another one. And this time I got meditation art. When I want to keep my mind busy or active and put myself in a good mood and meditate on some things. I'll show y'all now one more page. I got me a coloring book. This is by the brand Crown Jewels, and it's called Meditation Art. I got some baskets I'm working on, so I went ahead and picked me up some of this black and white sugar cookie popcorn. I own my own basket business, and I do baskets for each holiday and sell them. I also got this, because this is going to be the theme of one of my Christmas trees, Candyland. So I bought this. I thought it was cute. Could use it for a decoration. Guess what, guys? Finally, they came to my store. The houses. And I got some ideas for this. So I bought 2 of them. I bought me some chunky brushes. I bought me some glue sticks for my bigger, you know what I'm trying to say. It won't come to my mind. But these are these big glue sticks. I got 6 from Dollar Tree, and then went back and got 50 from Walmart. I bought this brown color right here. Ain't it pretty? And I think I got one more bag from Dollar Tree, and then we'll be done. I bought me another Christmas tree, because I used the other one to add on to my Grinch tree. So I went back, and since I had green, I went on and bought another green so I could double them up and make it fuller. I also bought this shreds paper shreds to put in my baskets. And y'all, look, this old-fashioned peppermint. I know I bought some peppermints to make a peppermint bowl, but these are for me. These is old-fashioned ones you just put in your mouth and they melt at the Dollar Tree. And it's called Redbird Handcrafted Candy Peppermint Natural Flavored Candy Puffs. Go and get you some. So I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking time out your day to watch me and my multiple hauls from Ross, Walmart, and the Dollar Tree. I really appreciate you all. And if you haven't, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my family, because that's what I call everybody that comes to my channel is my family. Go ahead over there and give me a thumbs up so this video can get out there to others so I can grow my channel. Then drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment so that I know that you've been here and I can come back to your channel and support you, because that's what it's all about, is support. If we didn't have each other, we wouldn't even have a reason to come on here. So, be kind to those that come to your page. Spend the time with you. Go back and spend time with them so we all can grow together. It's enough out here for everybody to grow. And if we all work together, each one of us can grow our channels. And until next time, I hope you have a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see my video. I hope you have a blessed one. And again, I want to thank you for taking time out your day to watch me. And until next time, guys, everybody be blessed and peace.